there is strong. Then there is MTI strong.
Hello members, I'm Tom Morrison. Welcome to another edition of MTI TV. Over the course of each year, a group of 35 plus primes, commercial heat treaters, and suppliers that make up the Aerospace Metals Engineering Committee meet 5 times a year to develop aerospace specifications. These specifications are the laws that PRI audit all heat treaters to for NADCAP compliance and accreditation. One of the valuable benefits of MTI membership is our influence and voice within the AMEC committee. MTI has over a dozen members that sit on this committee, as well as an industry representative, Robert Peters. Robert has been involved with the AMEC committee for years and has authored numerous specs. Robert provides the MTI Technical Standards Committee updates throughout a series of conference calls on the AMEC developments throughout the year. Today, Robert joins us to provide the full membership and update on the latest AMEC specification developments. Robert, welcome to MTI TV.
Well, thank you. It's good to be here, and I'm very grateful to have an opportunity to speak with you folks.
Robert, for those who may not be familiar with the AMEC committee, can you provide a short background of the role the AMEC committee plays in the heat treating industry?
What AMEC does, and what our role is to write specifications for heat treating, surface finishing, take maybe some of the specifications that are outdated and update them to the new standards today. You know, the technology changes constantly, and sometimes some of the specifications don't get updated as soon as they need to be.
What are some of the more recent developments on specifications that the AMEC committee is looking at?
Well, we're talking more now about vacuum heat treatment, to where in the past vacuum was out there, but it wasn't in great discussion. Today we're talking about vacuum levels, the type of gases that can be used for quenching, as well as the type of gases that can be used as a flow rate, including using acetylene to get the carbon from instead of using butane or propane or natural gas. Now we're going to acetylene, which has a higher carbon content in it. These are some of the things that we're looking at in the industry to try to upgrade the system.
When are the specs looking to be voted into official rules for NADCAP accreditation and compliance?
Well, this is where it gets a little difficult at times, because we as a group, we put items together what we want to talk about. Then we go through it, and not all the players are at the meeting at the same time. So, therefore, it goes out to the committee, and we take a look at it, and people give their input back. Then we have more meetings, so it could take anywhere from a year to 3 years to get a specification upgraded. It just depends on what particular topic we're talking about. We're trying to get AMS 2759 and the slashes ready by the end of the year, so that in January of next year we can get them into the committee for voting.
What are a few things heat treaters should be paying attention to as these specs are finalized?
Well, you need to look at the new technology that is out there and the new guidelines for the quality testing, as well as now NADCAP is a big thing that's brought up about the new standards. Or if you're saying exactly it's 27 inches, but you've got 27.25 and you get a write-up, you need to look at the overall picture more than just focusing on a couple of items. So you need to review the bigger picture to move forward.
Robert, having a voice in the industry is crucial to our local heat treaters. MTI appreciates your representation to help keep everyone informed and updated on this, as well as provide a real understanding of what is taking place within the specification development. Thanks for being with us today on MTI TV.
Thank you very much.
Members, the time to find out new rules on industry specifications is not at audit time. Stay tuned in to MTI news reports, our online audit database, and our online NADCAP discussion forum. Together they maximize your audit quality and performance, because you're not just strong, you're MTI strong. I'm Tom Morrison. See you next time on MTI TV.